This is Dedrick T. Wilmer, Chief Lending Officer for the Gumbeaux Group. Today we're going to talk about what is the Gumbeaux Group. The Gumbeaux Group is a Texas corporation based here in Houston, Texas. We service Texas, we're going to be servicing Louisiana, we're going to be lending, of course, in Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, California to the west, and as well as up north to Illinois, and eventually make our way from Florida along the mid-Atlantic area on the eastern seaboard to the Carolinas up to the DMV. The reason I decided to create the Gumbeaux Group was an opportunity to do lending different. Go back old school before the crisis, a little bit of that time where I started back in 1996, and now in post-2008 crisis here in 2019, 11 years later, on how we can innovate lending. Where's the fact that you control your destiny? Where's that not a banker telling you what you can and cannot get? Not based on a broker who's just trying to make all the money from you, and some lender shop who are trying to close as many loans they can to salvage a couple relationships they have. The way that we're going to innovate, where's that underwriters, the folks who actually approve the loans, who know how to structure deals, who know how to get loans approved. Those are the ones, and along with realtors who are very engaged in the process, who are responsible for everything. The vision here at the Gumbeaux Group is a purpose to, again, give the control back to the referral partners. If you're the builder, if you're the realtor, and even the borrower, making sure that you control the entire loan process, making sure that you're aware of what's going on, making sure the fact that you know that your loan officer know how to structure deals, giving you pre-approvals, not just a pre-approval, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna correct myself there, give you commitment letters, making sure that file is actually looking at underwriting, staging remaining conditions, obtaining your contract. If you have the contract, go ahead and order an appraisal and get you in closing way before the expiration of the contract or the anticipated closing date. That's where you have full control. We all know, we all been there, where it's the fact that, realtors, title companies, cousins, grandmoms, and everyone else trying to figure out what is going on in loan status. You're gonna get real-time status, emails, text messages, and as well as follow phone calls to let you know what is going on, what's happening, what's going, so you can cross the finish line. Here at the Gumbeaux Group, we're here to make it happen. Not just make it happen, but provide a minimally invasive process. Thank you. Dedrick Wilmer of the Gumbeaux Group. Have a wonderful day.